I am an international student.
I would say the whole experience is great, and the college has so much to offer. Specifically, the instructors here, they are always ready to help.
My advice to them is that as long as you're interested in learning, the environment here is good.
Well, the first advice, don't be shy. People are really friendly in Canada. They will help you. Just don't be shy. Ask many questions as you can.
Canadians are very famous for being nice. Everybody wants to be around nice people. Yeah.
When they want to say something, they just call you buddy all the time, and I feel like sometimes you don't know someone and it just calls you buddy, and that's really funny. I just find that really funny.
The very first snow was nice, but not the snowstorm. I've been to Poly Mountain here. There's a place, Poly Mountain near Sussex. So I've done skiing there once, but it was hard for me because I've never done it before. So you may fall many times.
Well, New Brunswick is really is a small province, and I really like that cities are located really close to each other. So you can definitely travel from Fredericton to Moncton, just 1 hour drive, and you can see like fascinating nature everywhere in each city, and it's really impressive, and I really like it.
They have really weird food sometimes. Yeah, like someone making carrot soup. It is kind of weird, but I've tried it. It's good. It's really good. Like I can eat it, but at first that was really something surprising for me.
I have quite a few hobbies. I was doing boxing for a pretty long time, so I do like to go to the gym. I also like to play soccer. When I have a chance to travel, I obviously like to travel. We also went to different waterfalls, forests. We tried to actually explore New Brunswick.
Well, I work part-time as well as that, and I also get along with my friends. I also have my friends over here already, so we go party and all of this stuff.
My plans for graduation is definitely stay connected to NBCC in one way or another.
The experience that I've had is that they all want you to succeed, yeah, and you know that it's a partnership where I have to do my part and they do their part.